Hey there, you're back. Welcome back. Today we're doing the part 2 of making a summer dress for my niece. We already cut in the first part, and now we're joining everything to make a beautiful dress. First step is attaching the little lace piece that goes on the top part of the dress to the bottom part of the bodice. It's very tricky. You need to get it just right. Now that part is done, we're done with the front part. Now we're doing the back part. Attaching both sides. I cut the lace piece in such a way that it was just one piece that goes from the front to the back to avoid unnecessary seams at the top of the bodice. And after that, attach the lining to the front part. So front bodice lining done. Next, back lining. Back lining done. And now it's time to top stitch. So it looks nice and neat. So the front top stitch done. The back top stitch done. Now it's time to join the sleeve part, the lining and the top part to the back side. So the sleeves looks nice and neat. The label. I had forgotten all about the label. It says impressions backhand. Done. Now to finish the other parts of the sleeve, the armhole, make sure it's nice and neat. The other side of the front part. That's the wrong side. So stitch, make a few snips so that the curve comes out nice and straight on the other side. Then you're done. After that, I overlocked or serged all the pieces that were now joined together. Now it's time to make the dots. That's the front side of the bodice. Front done. dots at the back of the bodice. I usually like to add another dart on the armhole, because sometimes if you don't do that, that area there usually leaves a large space. So it fits better when you put a dart right there. First dart done. Second one done. Now it's time to do the side seams. I'm going down. The allowance here was 1.5 inches. I usually don't measure because the sewing machine has a little gauge on the side that I use as a guide. There you go. Look at that nice place. Now to hem this part to make the raw edges nice and neat. First shoulder done. Second shoulder done. Now the neck part. Neck done. Now to mark the area where all the pleats will go, starting with the middle. Making sure all the pleats are evenly placed. This dress had about 8 pleats, so I had to get all the calculations right. But I finally pinned all the pleats in place, and now the stitching. Right after stitching this, the bodice to the skirt, the pleated skirt part, my battery ran out, and I quickly took another camera, and I thought I was recording, but apparently I wasn't. So that's all I had recorded. So after this, I basically just attached the zipper and did the hemming and attached the bottom lining, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.